Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the 7th week of your summer vacation task, and this week we will study about the great leader Quaid-e-Azam. Who is Quaid-e-Azam? Do you know him? He is the founder of Pakistan, and he is called father of a nation. So, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, founder and first Governor General of Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a lawyer, politician, and he did a lot of struggle to make a separate nation for Pakistan. Students, you know what is his date of birth? His date of birth is 25th December 1876, and he died on 11th September 1948 and he was died in Ziyarat, but he is buried in Karachi. So let's discuss about his education. He got his primary education from Karachi. For higher studies, he went to England. Then he got a degree of law and became a great and successful lawyer. So, leader of Muslim League. Quaid-e-Azam formed the league in 1906. In 1913, Jinnah became a member of Muslim League. Muslims formed the league in 1906, and in 1913, Jinnah became a member of Muslim League. Students, in 1934, he became the president of the Muslim League. Muslim League was a party in All India Muslim League. On 23rd March 1940, passed a resolution at Lahore's Minto Park, which is now called as Minar-e-Pakistan. Pakistan came into being on 14 August 1947, but the resolution was passed on 23rd March 1940. Okay, the new country was to be named Pakistan. Students, he is founder of Pakistan. Muslims and Hindus were two separate nations. Quaid-e-Azam worked very hard to get a separate country for the Muslims of the subcontinent. That's why he is known as a great leader and the father of nation. Quaid-e-Azam was known as father of a nation. He was a great leader. He was named as Quaid-e-Azam. So let's discuss about his death. Muhammad Ali Jinnah had been suffering from tuberculosis. Jinnah could not regain his health. He died on 11th September 1948 at a place called Ziyarat Residency, which is now known as Quaid-e-Azam Residency. Students, he died after the 13 months of Pakistan creation, and he was buried in Karachi. You can see in the picture the first one is Ziyarat Residency, in which he was died, and he spent his last days in Ziyarat Residency. And the second picture is Quaid's tomb. In here, Quaid-e-Azam is buried. So, it was due to his firmness of character, extreme devotion, deep sincerity, and honest beliefs that he was able to snatch freedom from the unwilling hands of the Hindus and the Britishers. Students, where Pakistan was concerned, he knew no compromise. If he had compromised, there would have been no Pakistan on the map of the world. Students, the day of his birthday is a national holiday in whole Pakistan. You have holiday on 25th December every year. It's his date of birth or his birthday. So this was the end of week 7. Thank you, class, and end of your summer vacation task 2020. Eid Mubarak to you all. And have happy holidays or happy Eid.